Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit, and today we fitted the Starline Stealth, which is a Starline i96 Pro, and an app-based tracking system which gives you live location as well as history reports on this 2019 Mercedes GLE AMG. So the way the Starline Stealth protects your vehicle, if someone was to try and attack it, clone the key, drive it away, if someone hopped in, just tried to start the vehicle up, it simply won't start. So the way you start it, with either the customer's phone, which is not paired up at the minute, which can be paired with an adjustable range, or through the buttons. So with the buttons, foot off the brake, double press the ignition, get your yellow lights on. We've kept the code simple for now, which is 1, 2, 3. Got a confirmation, and now we can start the vehicle. So this Starline Stealth obviously protects you against the standard relay attack, key cloning and so on, but if someone was to actually lift and tow away the vehicle, you've got the live tracking on the app to find out where it is. So with the Starline Stealth Immobiliser, you can set a pin code between 3 and 21 presses in any configuration of supported buttons, and to do that, first you have to disarm the system. Now press any button 5 times. Ignition off and back on, we'll get 5 bleeps and it's ready to learn. So now we'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll wait for a confirmation. So now if we repeat that again, 1, 2, 3, 4. We should get the same confirmation if that's correct. Now we turn the ignition off. So we'll give this about 10 to 20 seconds to set, and then once it's set, we'll turn the ignition on, try the new code so you can see that, and start up the vehicle. So ignition on, new code, melody, foot on the brake, start the vehicle up. If they want to take this for a service and the vehicle has to go back to Mercedes, and obviously they don't want to give them the PIN code or the customer's phone, which would be paired up through Bluetooth, you want to put it into service mode. So to do that, ignition on, disarm the system. Now press any button 11 times. Ignition off, back on, we'll get 2 bleeps. So now that now confirms this is in valet mode. So they can take it for a service. Obviously don't have to disclose the code or the phone. This just acts like a normal vehicle. So it starts up, no code needed, and it will just behave as if there's no immobiliser fitted. When you get the car back, it's as simple as ignition on, double press, and pop your disarm code in. We've got our 2 bleeps to confirm it's out of valet mode. So now after 10 seconds it will be reset, and obviously it will protect the vehicle. So if we just try start it now, you'll see the vehicle is protected, and we need our PIN code or the customer's phone. To get a Starline Stealth fitted in your vehicle, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit. Obviously it's a Starline i96 Pro along with app-based tracking. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.